Yo guys, on today's Spoonful of Autos, this Toyota Sora teases his poor little police car. And here's an absolutely insane street drifting POV. This madman does some all-wheel drive windmill donuts in his Audi TT Quattro. Yeah. This guy throws a backwards entry and the commentators love it. These two Z's do some donuts in the middle of the street. Watch this classic clip of this drift car teasing the police. This R33 shreds some tyres. This nutty group of people do some drifting on the streets of Japan. They crashed the Ferrari-powered GT86 on the first shot of the day. This 700 wheel horsepower R33 sounds sick. This guy's bonnet opens mid-drift and he just continues to drift. This overtake is sick. And that's going to be all for today. I really hope you enjoyed this drift edition of Spoonful of Autos. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe with notifications on, because about 90% of you aren't subscribed who are watching this. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video.